today I'll show you how to fix your restarting iPhone problem. So if your iPhone is restarting on this screen, I had the same problem, and all you need to do is put it in recovery mode while it's turned off. If you don't know how to do that, just hold home button while it's black screen and connect it to iTunes, and you will get this message, and just press OK, and screen on your iPhone will be like this, and you need to recover it, and that's that. If you can, put new iOS, and thanks for watching, and bye.